ridiculous. They're stitches. How do they speak?
Dr. Perkins, I'm just...
That's pretty loud, yes.
Dr. Perkins doesn't clean his underwear.
How many stitches did I give you?
I don't know. Looks like 2 rows of 15. I can't get any sleep. They're telling me things like, oh, you left a sponge in your leg, you're gonna die.
Help me get out of here. I'm trying to help the sponge. You're not going anywhere. You're a stitch.
I don't know. My quality of life has really sucked the last 3 days.
You're not much of a person anyway.
Doctor.
I mean, I don't know.
I mean, you're supposed to be a healer, not a judge of character.
I can do both.
I'm insulted.
Tough luck.
What do you think it is? Treatment.
I can't believe your stitches talk. That's what I can't believe.
These are your stitches that you sewed in my leg.
They're yours now.
I'd like to